Welcome to Domino, leading global coding and marking supplier to many of the world's manufacturers and original equipment providers. Thermal inkjet is a core part of the portfolio due to the increasing demand for small character, high resolution printing. The ability to print a variety of human and machine readable codes across multiple substrates makes Domino TIJ technology of choice in many markets. Food, beverage, industrial, cosmetics and confectionery are all great applications for TIJ, but where we are currently seeing a lot of activity is in the pharmaceutical industry.
Item level serialisation has been recognised as a key tool in the fight against counterfeit and falsified medicines. Most governments have now introduced legislation based on the use of serialised machine-readable codes. This places an increased focus on product authenticity and signals a move from batch-level to item-level unique identification. This is the single greatest challenge that the pharmaceutical industry has probably ever seen. So, what does this mean for coding and marking? It means that the printers must be able to handle unique numbers at speed without duplication. It means that the ink has to be really dark and durable, maintaining its contrast throughout the supply chain, which could be several years after the product was packed. And it means that any newly purchased equipment must be easy to integrate into existing lines.
Our customers demand A-grade, high-resolution codes, maximum uptime and consistently high overall equipment effectiveness. Our experience and innovation in thermal inkjet enables us to deliver these benefits to our customers every time.
Serialisation has the potential to significantly impact line OE. To help mitigate this risk, manufacturers can use the thermal inkjet, parallel printing and auto swap system, which is unique to Domino. The line never has to be stopped to replenish ink, and the highest OEE levels, equivalent to laser, can be achieved.
We have 35 years experience researching, developing and manufacturing a whole range of inks. Our expert chemists and test engineers conduct over 3,000 tests when developing a TIJ ink. The results are inks that are industry leading, and this is something we are really proud of.
Ink contrast and light fastness is now critical. Under new pharmaceutical legislation, codes must be verified not only in production, but at the point of dispense to a patient. Independent testing shows that many common inks used today do not maintain contrast after a certain period of time. Domino inks do, so our customers can be confident that their products will scan in the pharmacy and reach their patients safely. Fast dry time is another key characteristic of Domino thermal inkjet inks. We know that many pharmaceutical manufacturers will want to apply tamper-evident labels immediately after printing. Our BK652 ink dries in less than half a second, where many common inks would smudge.
We know that on most production lines, space for installation is very limited. That is why we have developed our G-Series TIJ range with compact controllers and print heads that can be easily fitted almost everywhere. Unique to Domino, the OEM board controller offers a fully integrated solution which can be controlled remotely from a central user interface using the GUI browser. The Dynamite communication protocol, common between our TIJ and laser range, means integration for either technology is convenient and quick.
As manufacturers prepare their lines for serialisation, we expect much of the technology deployed today will be upgraded. The footprint of our thermal inkjet technology is small, and the OEM board, with no user interface, is perfect for retrofitting. We also know that complete solutions require multiple vendors. We have well-established partnerships with all the leading OEMs, making integration very simple. Just look for the Domino iTech Ready mark. And don't forget the industry requirements of GAMP. Only Domino technology comes with validation, documentation and 21 CFR Part 11 functionality, making compliance more simple with Domino.
Many of the world's leading pharmaceutical manufacturers, contract packers and OEMs choose TIJ and choose Domino as their coding and marking partner. And we hope that you will too.